Shall we surrender to our surroundings, or shall we make our peace with nature and begin to repair the damage man has caused to their own land? As of 2010, America has generated billions of pounds of pollution each year and spent billions of dollars to control and manage that pollution. I feel that I would like to talk about land pollution because I don't want to live in trash. Land pollution is man-made waste and dumping of the unwanted waste of their society. We all want to become part of the pollution instead of the problem. I'm going to share with you the problem of land pollution, the solution, and what we can do to help. Land pollution is about contaminating the land surface of the earth through the dumping of waste. Land pollution results in widespread effects. Heavy metals that are natural in soil have no harm, but industries and mines release these metals in a way that they do cause harm to our environment, such as mercury contaminates fish, which humans consume, and in turn contaminates humans as well. Waste disposal is hazardous and non-hazardous. Hazardous toxic chemicals get into your soil and water and deplete and harm your water and your food. Humans There's all types of different pollutions that can get into the soil. There's chemicals, pesticides that cause harm to the soil. These kill pests and weeds, but have different effects on animals and humans. Different effects on animals usually depending on how much they consume as well. The Mississippi River is a main water source for many states, and it picks up many chemicals from fertilizers and all kinds of different stuff we use to kill weeds and other pests. It causes low oxygen concentration in the Gulf, and this causes dead zones, which causes aquatic life not to persist. We must realize what damage we do and the harm it does to our environment. The solution is not all in one big fix, but within the process of recycling and land repair, it can be done. Recycling keeps the waste out of our landfills, so set up you some bins at your house, or whenever you see these bins at local convenience stores, you need to recycle. Look how easy this is. Pretty simple. So we want to dispose our foods in a way that it can become part of the solution. You put it, say you use your old foods, your leftovers, and put it in your gardens to use as nutrients for your garden. Small areas may heal themselves over time, but larger areas are going to have to be done manually. We need to think about learning to recycle. I've discussed the problem of landfill and the effects on our environment. Land pollution is a contamination of the earth with man-made waste. Become part of the solution, not the problem. Find ways to recycle by joining cycle campaigns, or this is a good way to reduce impacts on the environment and improve the quality of our lives.